Hello friend, welcome back. Page load timer. Now it can give you auto alert whenever your page loaded slow or the performance of your web page goes down. It's a very easy and very handy tool. You have to just make one setting while using this tool to get the auto alert. So what you have to do, like let's say you are testing for your company and your company website is abc.com. So what you have to do, you just have to open this particular plugin here, click on the logo, and there under setting, just enter the domain name. Like let's say in my case it is SelectorsHub.com, and you have to enter the load time. Like what is the maximum load time you are expecting for your website, that because every company pretty much generally always have the maximum load time. Like in my case, I want always all the pages of my website should load within 5 seconds. So similarly, you must be having the maximum load time always, that okay, all my web pages should load within 2-3 seconds. So let's say in my case, I'm expecting all the pages of SelectorsHub.com should load within 1 second. Now if ever, like I'm opening this particular website, if ever it loads more than in more than 1 second, then it will always give me this kind of alert. This page took longer than the maximum load time. Here also you can see that it's showing in red color. If it will take less than 1 second, then it will not show the alert, but if it will take more than 1 second, it will give me this alert as well as shows in red color here. If it, like let's say I'm expecting in 2 seconds, like maximum load time of my website is 2 seconds, then in that case it will show like this point, like in blue color, and there will not be any alert. So I will be like, okay, my website is working fine and the performance is not going down. Similarly, like if I will open any page ever from SelectorsHub website, if it ever take more than 2 seconds, it will show me this alert. So this way it becomes very easy for me now to test the load time of my website or performance of my website, and if I miss anything, ever did anything wrong on the website, it will give me this alert, which will help us to improve the performance of our website. Like similarly, in your case, if you have any website, and you can just whitelist that all those websites which you are testing, for which you want to get this kind of auto alert, you can add them here. Like let's say I want, because right now we have whitelisted only one website here, this is a whitelisting. Okay, so if we will open any other website like flipkart.com, then in that case here it will not execute this particular, it will not run the plugin. So if I want to run this on flipkart.com as well, I will have to add the domain name here, flipkart.com, and then what could be the maximum load time? Like let's say I'm expecting all the pages should load within 1 second, then I will pass 1, then close. Now if we will open flipkart.com, refresh the page, if it is loaded within 1 second, then it's fine. If it will take more than 1 second, then it will show the alert. It is loading within 1 second, perfect. Whenever it will take more than 1 second, that time it will show that alert. So this way it will be very handy, very easy for us to test the performance of any website. And if ever like right now you see that in case of SelectorsHub, again and again it is showing the pop-up. If you don't want to see that alert pop-up again and again, and you are fine with this red colored on logo, in that case you can turn off this toggle, and then it will not show this alert of like load time is more than expected. So if it will take more than 2 seconds, then in that case it will not show the alert, it will just show the time there on the logo. Like right now it is not, it's taking less time. Let me just increase this just to show you guys that now alert will not come because we have turned off this. Okay, and it will just show in red color here. So you can also, we have provided the setting that you can keep it off. So this way now you can easily, without you doing anything extra, you can test the performance of your website and get the auto alert whenever there is a whenever performance goes down for your website. In the page load timer, you under setting mention the website and enter the maximum load time here, what you are expecting, that beyond this it should not take, that you can add here, and you can whitelist all the website for which you want to test. if you have added whichever website you will add, it will execute only on those websites. Okay, and the load time, max load time should always be greater than 0. You can put it in point like 0.5 seconds, 0. Like let's say I'm expecting this is Flipkart on, so all the pages of Flipkart should get loaded within 5 seconds, within 0.5 seconds. This value is in second. So now if we will go to here, it is taking more than 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds. So it is in red. Okay, I hope you found this feature useful and this tool is very useful. Please do leave a review for this particular plugin in Chrome store. Also let us know about this feature below in the comment section, and please do share about page load timer with your team, colleague and testers. This will really help them a lot. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.